Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to start a Redbubble shop. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's dive right in. So first, let me show you how you can start setting up your Redbubble account. The first thing that we need to do is to simply go to redbubble.com. Now click on Sell Your Art in the upper right hand corner, or you could also click on the sign up button. Now here, when you sell your art, you can actually see the basics on how you can start with Redbubble or how Redbubble works. So with Redbubble, you can upload your designs to products in your shop. Customers find and purchase products they love featuring your designs. Products are produced to order and ship around the world, and customers get an awesome product and you get paid for it. Now let's click on the Start Selling button right here to sign up for an account. To join Redbubble, you actually have two types of account: the artist sign up and the customer sign up. Of course, when we want to sell our products, we're going to have our artist sign up right here. So there are only three information that you need to have. That's your email, username, and password. And then you just need to click on the sign up button. But since I do have a Redbubble account, I'm going to log into mine. And this is how it looks like when you sign in to your Redbubble account, basically. But when you're still getting started, basically you will see the Sell Your Art section, and this is our dashboard. Now, to start up with your shop, all you need to do is to follow these three processes that you see on the screen. First is you can create products, so upload your original art and choose products. Add at least 5 designs to get your shop ready for your customers. There, always remember, quality is better than quantity. Second is you can set up your shop. So in setting up your shop, you need to add your profile picture, add a cover image, add your social links, and add a bio. This is for you to stand out to your customers. And here in the Get Paid section, here you just need to input all the necessary details. I just blurred this section out because in the profile setting, of course, these are sensitive information. To get you paid, you have PayPal as an option, actually, and also we do have ACH banks. The options for payment, you need to input all the necessary details or complete the settings in order for you to get paid as well here with Redbubble. Alright, now if you're still getting started, what's good about Redbubble is that they give you tips for new sellers, and they're actually like things that you can look into. Now let's add our new work. So when you're adding a new work, you can actually upload a new work or copy an existing work. So let's upload a new work. Now it will ask us to open the file that we would want to upload. So say for example, I would be uploading an image that I have generated using Leonardo AI. I'm just going to click on this one right here, and there you have it. Now to add a new work, all you need to do is to input your title. So use 4 to 8 words to describe your work. Tags. So for tags, these are like things that you need to do, or like things that could easily be found by your customers, and the description as well. Now here, say for example, you would like to have a large print clothing and you would want to edit that out or the image out. So you can click on the design your products, and there you can scale the image and whatnot. Now here, as you can see, the phone cases and skins are enabled, and for those images that you see disabled and you want to sell, you just need to click on the disabled button and enable it. In that way you can actually sell that product. All right, there are actually a lot of products that you can sell using Redbubble, from shirts to stickers to magnets, pin buttons, masks, and the likes. Now they're also offering leggings, socks, backpacks, filtered masks, and duffel bags. Now here below, all you need to do is to select up to 2 medias. So what kind of art are you making, or what kind of media did you make? Now here, you also need to input your default product in your shop, who can view this work, and whether or not it's a mature content. Okay, now next is you need to agree to the Redbubble user agreement to sell your product. Now click on save your work afterwards to be able to sell the products on to your customer. All right, now that we have already created how to set up, now let me show you some reasons why you should start a Redbubble shop. First reason is to showcase and monetize your artistic talent. So, Redbubble is an online marketplace that allows artists and designers to showcase their creative work on various products such as t shirts, hoodies, stickers, phone cases, and more. So, by creating a Redbubble account, you can upload your designs and artwork to be printed on these products. This platform provides a unique opportunity to reach a global audience and potentially earn income from your creative endeavors. Reason number two is because of passive income. So with Redbubble, you can actually offer a print on demand service, which means you don't have to worry about inventory production or shipping. When someone purchases a product with your design, Redbubble takes care of the printing and fulfillment process, and you earn a commission on each sale that you get. So, this allows you to generate passive income by leveraging your artistic skills without the hassle of managing your physical products or logistics. So, meaning to say, you don't actually need to look for suppliers on who you would want to get your t shirts from or your phone cases from. And this will actually help you save more time and make you focus more on creating new designs, basically. And for our third reason, we have access to large customer base, basically. So Redbubble has a large and diverse customer base that actively seeks unique and creative designs. By joining the platform, you again access to this existing customer base, increasing the visibility and potential reach of your artwork. Redbubble's marketplace and search algorithms can help your designs get discovered by users who are specifically looking for products featuring your style or subject matter. So here, as you can see, these are the top countries that actually purchase and use Redbubble account. And it actually uses at least 15.4 million devices in total. So there is a really good market when you're starting your Redbubble account. Basically, that's how you get started in building your Redbubble account. And I do hope that you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching.